We are in the fourth index, words explained in the notes. And I don't remember how many programs I can divide that into, but A, Hebrew words and forms, verbs in third singular, imperfect. What does M stand for? But Hebrew is the wrong word because they would call it Aramea. But Agruf in 11.6, Ein Ketub Ki Am in 9.5, Am in 9.16, Anu in 2028, Anth in 1613, Ark Apim in 2.4, Asher Lab in 9.3, At in 15.9. Remember, At is, a mark. At is you. Bay Barit in 2.2, Buay in 9.2, Bachun in 13.3, Bechiri Yishral in 3.4, Bede in 5.18 and 7.21a, Bede Vramah in 10.3, Beat Hetura in 2010, Bowel in 14.9, Bapi in 6.7, Gaul in 12.6, Gabhut in 1.15, Gaz in 11.3, Gurul in 13.12, Galulim in 3.17 and 29, Gulgul Heshmesh in 10.15. Gulgul is a cycle. Gersh in 13.17, Deber Mut in 9.6, Hebdil in 7.4, Hebin in 8.12, Hagi, Hagu in 10.6. Remember that Urim and Thummim sort of type of thing. Hua in 9.4. Basically he, but it's a gender neutral thing, whether who or hua or Q or whatever variation. Hukech in 9.3. Huagid in 8.17. Hupia in 23. Hiyut in 13.12. Henthiel in 14.2. Heskum in 15.1. Horim in 6.20. Horim Yid in 20.30. Ra'il in 10.11. Harsha in 11.20. Hashib in 6:6, Hashik in 20:24, Het-Atcher in 11:23, Het-Gubber in 8:7. Remember, Gubber is the root that means might. Het-Gulul in 3:17, Het-Isser in 4:8, Het-Alam in 8:6. Remember, those people of knowledge are important. Het-Arb 11:4. Arb means mixed. Het-Qadam 11:23. Qadam means those before you. Or, so those before you is a meaning of that term. Het-Rab 11:4. Wam 9:16. Remember, words don't usually start with the W, but, they can. Zah 4:18. I don't know what they mean by the dots, or, but Zunah 4:20. Zamah 8:7. Zanut 4:20. Chibul 2:6. Jabur 12:8. Jabur 13:15. Jabur. Previously, you got the wow in the middle there. Chua 2:12. Chia Natsach. A life of steadfastness. Is that what they're trying to say? Well, I'll have to look at 3:20 to figure out that right. Churban 5:20. Thuch 11:9. Thama Caboose 11:22. Thamout 11:20. Unuk 11:11. Urah 5:11. Yitchid 20:32. Yachid 21. Yasur 7:5. Kasher Ketub 7:19. Ki 20:28. Ki Kun Ketub 11:18. Kek 7:6. Kamish 24. Keth Leketh 13:15. And, I don't think that has anything to do with the Kek, the ancient Egyptians or whatever, but could have similar stuff going on. Because a lot of Aramaic words come from, the ancient Egyptian, or twist of them. Keper Bod in 3:18. Lakel in 12:12. Lepanim in 3:19. Lemuath in 13:1. Shukim in 10:19. Lakach Aliu in 11:3. Mod in 9:11. Moss in 28. Mabqur in 9:18. Maduk Qadak in 16:2. Madi in 10:11. Madrush in 26, Mah in 2:10, Mu'ath in 13:1, Mutz'ayah in 9:15, Machukak in 6:7, Machukot in 6:9, Mi'ayut in 13:1, Malaki Chibal in 2:6, Mulbud in 5:5 and 11:18, Muspur in 4:10, Musser in 3:3, Ma'uth in 10:11, Miath in 14:13, Mal in 1:3, Mahmud in 25, Mahsha in 13:11, Mutzat in 6:19, Murah in 11:12, Mukdach Mucker in 13:15, Murtsunu in 11:4, Mushichim in 2:12, Mushmur in 12:5, Naut in 27, Nadshun in 1:7, Nimur in 8:5, Nitzul in 16:6, Nimtzat in 9:14, Nesturut in 3:14, Na in 14:15, Nepra in 15:13, Nash'a Wuntun in 13:14, Nashlim in 4:8, Sis in 1:21, Sumnim in 11:10, Abudah in 11:23, Agli Hadburim in 12:12, Ad in 10:4 and 12:12, Adla in 10:10, Agir in 2:18, Allah in 3:2, Om in 2:4, and that famous term Omnual is proof that if you call someone that, you're literally saying they're not God. But that's for another place, right? Omd. Oh, wait. I forgot to point out that we have the word for Messiahs there. So again, the idea that there's just one. That's Omd is in 1:14, Amim in 8:10, Perush in 2:13 and 6:14, Pra in 8:8, Pashur in 4:14, Tzu in 4:19, Qutz in 1:5, Qarqar in 7:20, Rabim in 13:7, Rez in 3:18, Rachutz in 10:11, Reek in 10:18, Rishah in 6:10, Rishah in 6:10, Shur in 5:18, 6:6 and 7:13, Shwat, Heskum in 15:1, Shabi Yisrael in 4:2, Shuah in 15:14, Shuf in 11:4, Shulm in 4:8 and 9:20, Shemah in 15:11, Shakol in 8:13, Shursh in 1:7, Hamim in 7:5, Tah in 12:3, Ta'anim in 6:19, Tur in 14:11. And in making the letters sort of square under the influence of the Hyperborean people breaking through Kiev and conquering part of Greece and all that stuff, you have, it was easier to tell the Semek and the Meme apart. I mean, you really couldn't mistake them. And you also couldn't mistake the Noon and the Gimel. And we have some Greek words here too. Onios, Zoh in 3:20, Amna Sikakia in 8:6, Anamia in 20:15, Apostrophine in 2:5, Apaka in 4:6, Apolia in 6:15, Ephedros in 5:7, Egrachgaros in 2:18, Ektarasine in 1:21, Enosis in 20:32, Episkopine in 9:18, Hepionoi in 7:20, Kata in 3:4, Katoi Esthai in 8:7, Krima in 2:6, Meleta in 10:6, Metanain in 15:4, Mestaria in 3:18, Nastaya in 6:19, Amalagain in 15:4, Paralagismas in 1:18, Parambalah in 7:6a, Pliones in 13:3, Prosagain in 4:2, Prosyuka in 11:22, Profhatas in 6:11, 7:17, Ta Proton in 5:19, Raka in 10:18. Isn't that word you're not supposed to say to people? Well, what you call the New Testament, that's Riza 1:7, Sunag Oga at 11:22, Sundasmas in 13:10, Sun Enai N in 8:12, Taxis in 7:6a, Tauta in 8:2, Teleosis Chronon in 4:9, Tapas in 7:17, per oron in 1-3. Per oron. Okay. Because it's a short O. Apostasis in 2-6. Pataya in 1-7. Clanidion in 10-11. We gotta remember to try to not go all modern Hebrew with that and all modern Greek with that, but also not before the standardization of Greek. You had different forms, so you had like 4 extra letters and some other stuff going on, right?